In the United States, more than 65% of adults are overweight, and of that 65%, more than half are considered obese. Americans are consuming 200 more calories per day, on average, than they did in the 1970s. Those extra calories equal about 1 pound every 2 to 3 weeks, or approximately 20 additional pounds per year. Believe it or not, food is actually less expensive than it used to be. In fact, Americans are spending about half as much on food as they did just 30 years ago. However, many of the least expensive foods, prepackaged, pre-made, frozen, microwavable, convenient meals and snacks, are also the highest in calories. The prevalence of high-volume, high-calorie foods, coupled with the fact that many Americans now get less than 30 minutes of physical activity each week, makes it easy to see why a third of all adults in the United States are now obese.